So I got express permission to fly my drone at the largest bird statue in the world. Let's see how this turns out. So in a beautiful green nook of South Carolina, you have Jatayu Earth Center, which is centered around the world's largest bird sculpture, but there are a lot of other things to do as well. They have a zip line, they have climbing, they have rappelling, they have all sorts of things. And they also have a 12D movie theater with a simulation ride. Personally, I thought 3 was the maximum D you could have, but I guess there are 12 these days. So your options to get to Jatayu the bird are to take 826 steps, vertically 1,000 meters, or you can take a cable car that was imported fully from Switzerland. We opted for the latter. I'm sure most people would do the same. They also have a helipad for the VVVIP guests, of which we were not this time, but I did feel very special to be able to fly my drone. Something else that's pretty special about this place is that they try to be completely sustainable, so they have reusable cups, they have water refill stations, and they do not allow plastic bottles inside. You may also recognize it from Colin's recent circle set. The artist is called Rajiv Anchal, and he's a famous filmmaker and sculptor. So here are the drone shots. Let me know what you think in the comments. So the story of Jatayu, the one-winged bird, comes from the Indian epic called Ramayana. So the story goes that Sita, the wife of the Lord Sri Rama, who's a major deity in Hinduism, was being abducted by someone called Ravana, the demon king of Lanka. Some think this refers to Sri Lanka, others do not. But anyway, so she was being abducted, and then Jatayu, who is this bird, decided that he wanted to save her. So he went up to the demon who was flying to Lanka, and he tried to save Sita, but the demon got his sword out and cut off Jatayu's wing. They said he fell down right on this rock, which is why he only has one wing. So eventually he was found by Lord Rama, who was looking for his wife, who granted him salvation. But one of the coolest parts of this story that I really love is that it's recognized that Jatayu was fighting for the protection of women, or even the first trafficking of women. So this center is actually dedicated to women's safety and honor, which I think is really beautiful. They're creating a 15,000-foot museum space inside the bird. Here's the view from inside his eyeball. Let me know what you thought of the story.